Hey, today's video, vole control. That's right. How to get rid of voles. I've been trying to figure that out. I don't know. Maybe this might be the answer. All right, so this is my vole snack pack for my friends outside because they're running it wild, being crazy out there. So I'm gonna give them a gift. All right, so what you need to have some Glad wrap right here. May need a pair of scissors, might not. You want to have a spoon and you want to have your Vole X. Now I tried the Vole X last year, didn't really see that it worked, but what I saw on Amazon, someone said it works 100%. It doesn't work when it gets wet. So that was my issue, hopefully. All right, so we're gonna make these little snack bags, and in the comment section, they said that they made a little pack for them, and once they set it inside of the tunnels, they actually bit through the little plastic wrap. So if it rains, it's already protected. And if you put it in their tunnel, they gotta go buy it, and you can smell it through the plastic wrap. All right, so what they listed to do, and it's not on the bag, so maybe that was my mistake. So they said to take a tablespoon and a half, but I know this is not a tablespoon. I'm gonna take another half of that. That should be enough. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do one more on this side, just like this. And I'm gonna show you what's next. I felt like I should bring you in close. Now I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna bust it straight in half. I hate these things because they always get all sticky, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm talking about the wrap. I'm not an expert with the wrap. All right, so all I'm gonna do is bring my string, and if I didn't mention that, you wanna get some type of string, and they made square packets. All I'm gonna do is just fold it so that everything's in tight so it can't leak, just like that. Twist it up, and then I'm gonna take my string and I'm just gonna tie an old-fashioned knot so that it doesn't get out. Put that down first. Now some may think, hey, you got your hands all over it. Maybe they may smell it, but I think if they smell this this snack pack, they don't care, and it's in their way, they're gonna bust it wide open to get inside of it. So all I'm gonna do is clip the tag end off like that, and then I'm gonna clip this other end as well. And so all I gotta do is clip this part right here, make it short. Now I got my snack pack ready. And so if it rains and they're not ready for it, and the rain hopefully won't seep through it because it's protected, then all I gotta do is wait, and hopefully they'll go ahead and bust into it and then start eating. All right, so I got the other one here. I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna wrap it up like a present. It's a present for my voles out there. Oh, I hope they eat it all up. Take my string, wrap around, tie that knot to keep everything inside, just like this. And I noticed that on other videos that they used the Vole X and it worked, but they had it in a little tunnel that was covered so it didn't get rained on. So I'm thinking it was the water, hopefully, until my friends come in March or April. So this is gonna tie me over. Now y'all may say, what kind of friends you got coming over? In March or April, I'm hoping to have some predator friends that will be staying here out there, and they're gonna get to eat these voles up. But until then, these snack bags are gonna have to do. And I'm also going to spray on the outside of my garden where I'm not putting these. Where the activity is, that's where I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna make sure that I don't spray anything over there. All right, so we're gonna go outside and try to bait these areas, and so you might as well come on with me, and I'll let you know if it works for me. All right, so let's go. It's time to see if this works. All right, so I got them in a Ziploc bag. If I don't use them all, then I'll have them ready for the next time, and I'll just go ahead and seal it so they'll be safe and ready. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna use them all, and all you gotta do is find a stick or something, and you're gonna stab into the tunnel and then make a little circle, and you'll see that the soil will drop and you'll be able to fit these down. This is one of my arrows because I'm a marksman. I don't know if you know that, but I can shoot a bow. All right, so let's go over to the run. All right, so come on over with your stick or whatever you have. I'm into the tunnel. I'm making the hole. The hole fell open because this is a tunnel. All I gotta do is take my gift bag, and after this, they're gonna call me Santa Bear because I'm coming with gifts. And once I put it in there, I'm just going to cover the hole, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next one. All right, so let me show you some of these tunnels. All right, so I got a little runs going back and forth. So all I'm gonna do is put my arrow right there, and you see how easy the hole opens up. All right, so all I'm gonna do, take my gift bag. Santa Bear just gave you a treat. Cover it up, and when they come and eat it, hopefully it'll work for us. All right, so I got another one down here. I got them all over. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I am going to use a spray over on the side of my garden. I'm not putting these gift bags over there, but this area is special to me. I'm gonna show you why. All right, this is where I grew that big monster watermelon, and the voles were coming, and I had to stake my area to make sure that they didn't get through it, and that held up because they were all the way around. I see another run right here. All right, so I'm gonna bait that area too because I got to grow another big watermelon over here, and I'm gonna fertilize it. Yes, I'm gonna fertilize my area starting next week to get ready for the upcoming season, because this year, well, next year, I'm growing a watermelon 100 pounds. I'm already claiming it, and it's gonna be right here. So I gotta protect this area. So hopefully this is gonna work until my friend comes in a couple of months to protect my backyard. But let me know in the comments if you think this is gonna work, because if not, I'm still gonna keep trying everything I see until I get something that works for me in this garden, and hopefully it may work for you. Guess what? I got another vole hole that was already exposed. I got a couple more, but it's going into the tunnel. So look what I did. All right, so I put a brick over it so that it keeps it nice and covered, and we get to see the bag. Hopefully this is an active tunnel, and then when I pull this back away, we'll see what the bag looks like. Hopefully I'll get some evidence so I can bring it back to you. Just wanted to share that. So I'll see you again later.